Hey everybody, this is Professor O'Donoghue. I hope you are doing well. I hope your families are doing well. So I want to talk to you about our mandatory class meetings for the rest of the semester. We will be having meetings on Teams, and I want to explain to you how to get onto Teams and to join the meetings, okay? So this is what you need to know. First of all, you don't have to come to the class if you have an A in the class and you have completed your program. Or if you go online and you get tutoring with a tutor, you don't have to come to the class on Saturday morning. But what you do have to do is email me the name of the tutor who worked with you, and you'll need to submit your program, and you'll also have to ask the tutor to send me an email verifying that you were tutored. So let me show you how to get onto Teams real quick. It's pretty easy, and I love this application. Okay, it's working really well during these trying times. So first of all, you click on Teams. If you don't have the Teams app downloaded onto your computer, you can go to Microsoft Office 365 and you go to their apps and you can get it from there as well. So maybe I'll show you how to do that one first. Okay, if we go over here, we go to Microsoft 365, there's Teams. You can just click on Teams. Is this it? Okay, so once it comes up, this is how it'll look. Okay, so what you will need to do is you will need to go to all teams, because you should be on 2 teams right now. I have you on 2 teams. One of the teams that you're on will be the ECET tutoring team, and that's where you go to get tutoring. Okay, so this team right here, this is the tutoring team. So to get tutoring, you would click on this team. It's in here. Okay, here we go. All right, you go to ECET tutoring. Okay, this is just the general channel where you can just chat with anyone who happens to be tutoring for the day. But in order to video chat with a tutor, you go to online tutoring. This is very slow, and by the way, you can download this onto your cell phone as well. Okay, if you look right now, you'll see that there's a meeting going on right now, and you can join it. And that's how you would join a tutoring session. It's Tim. Tim is having a tutoring session right now. I think he comes on every day from 12 to 3. And there's tutoring going on from 10 o'clock in the morning until around 8, 9 o'clock at night. You just need to look at the tutoring schedule. But there's a lot of tutoring going on, so make sure you're taking advantage of the tutors, and they can share their screen. You can share your screen, so it's very effective. They can see what's going on and help you out. So that's how you get tutoring. Now, to join me for class, you need to go to our class team. So we would click all teams, and then you would click the programming fundamentals. That's our class. Click on here, and then once again, you would go to the video conferencing channel, because that's where we are going to have our video. And then what will happen is on Saturday, just like when we went to the tutoring channel, you'll see video conference taking place, and you'll be able to join, and you would just click join, and that's how you join our class for our class lectures. Okay, so I look forward to seeing you on Saturday, and please take advantage of these resources that we have to help you be successful in this class and in our program. Have a great day. Bye.